Start.
No worries. Welcome to the difference between thanks and thank you. What does it mean by thanks? It means that I'd like to express my gratitude. Okay. এটা থ্যাঙ্কস তো এটা দিয়ে কি বোঝায় এটা দিয়ে এটাই বোঝায় যে আমি আমার কৃতজ্ঞতা প্রকাশ করতে চাই এটা ফুল ফর্ম হচ্ছে আই উড লাইক টু এক্সপ্রেস মাই গ্র্যাটিটিউড I'd like to express my thanks. Thank you means I would like to thank you.
Thank you.
I would like to thank you. Yes. I'd like to let you know that I have thanked you. Hello. Good. Fine. Hello. Good. Yes, I'm good.
Good.
Fine. I'm fine. What's up? How are you? And then we have how's it going? এগুলো হচ্ছে how are your alternative. How are you? Yes, I'm fine. Thank you. And you? Hey, this is very normal and very used stuff. But instead of saying how are you, I'm fine, thank you, and you, এটা বলে how is it going? What's that? বারবার আমি ভালো আছি, তুমি কেমন আছো? এটা না বলে। And no worries, what I have said, I know myself. Oh. Anyways, আমি যা বলছি আমি জানি গাইস, আপনারা না বুঝলেও কোনো সমস্যা নেই। Thank you very much for understanding and at the same time not understanding.